traders shout, where the dogs bring tales from the world throughout. 3 names are whispered, 3 names are known. 3 heroes stand where the wild winds are blown. Taldorf crafts with hands so keen, turning steel to wonders unseen. Baler stands like a mountain tall, breaking foes with a single call. Auxilium weaves the arcane might, turning darkness into light. Oh, Taldorf, Baler, and Auxilium, brave and true. Through the alleys and the courts they see justice through. From the shadows deep to the noble halls, when danger rises they heed the calls. In Baler's gate their names burn bright, 3 heroes standing for what is right. When thieves stole gold from the merchant's hand, they tracked them down across the land. When a noble's child was taken away, they fought through night and saved the day. Taldorf with her clever mind, building weapons one of a kind. Baler with his battle cry, shielding those who fear to die. Auxilium feather shining white, casting spells to turn the fight. Oh, Taldorf, Baler, and Auxilium, brave and true. Through the alleys and the courts they see justice through. From the shadows deep to the noble halls, when danger rises they heed the calls. In Baler's gate their names burn bright, 3 heroes standing for what is right. When the city burned, when demons rose, when all seemed lost to endless foes, they stood their ground, they did not run. They fought until the war was won. Now bards will sing of the deeds they've done, of battles fought and victories won. The people cheer when they walk by, a tale of heroes that will never die.